Nĩ nditimurano gatagati ka maabithaa a borithi na Arutwo kuma University wa East Africa mwena wa Kitengela. Arutwo aya magomiire githomo thikũ 4 hĩtũku makimenereria miikarire yao thukuru-ini uyu kuria maugite thukuru uyu nduhetwo marũa ma guthomithia na nikio makoretwo makiandikithia maumirira moru igeranio-ini.
Look at this school has no fence. So, and when we know fence now, it's our security. Without fence, we cannot live here.
Whatever health problem you have, ukienda kwa clinic, you are given capsules and brufen. Then they tell you will be fine. Now, how does that help the students?
Maugite thukuru uyu nduri na mabuku ma kuigana ona kana arutani makinyanirie ikiro kumateithiriria gukinyaniria githomo kiao.
Hii shule tangu tukuje hapa it has never been chartered. Hii ni mwaka karibu ya 10 na haijai kuwa chartered. We don't have library tunapromisiwa next year haijai kuja. Our lecturers wengine they are unqualified. Mtu wapiwa mathematics anakuja kufunza statistics.
Lecturers here are not qualified because you find a lecturer teaching history at the same time teaching mathematics, pure mathematics. How? I think that one, this school need to be closed.
Riu marenda minister wa githomo kuingirira ndeto ino gutigirira mateta mao ni mathikiririo.
We were placed here by the government and we are here, I think we are here killing our future. So we urge the government to come and just face our challenges.
We need some magoha ingili kitu at least tutoke mahali.
Kiumia giki githomo gikoretwo githararite o riri Arutwo amwe maikitio ngono na wari angi makihonia nguraro thutha wa kugurara hindi ya mirurungano ino iria yambiriirie muthi wa Jumatatu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.